Welcome to this guide on how Event Anywhere can transform communication, collaboration, and learning in schools. Whether you're a teacher, administrator, or student, this platform offers innovative ways to connect and engage. Here are 10 powerful ways to use Event Anywhere in education.
Schools can host virtual open days to showcase their facilities, meet prospective students and parents, and answer live questions. The live stage, chat, and video tours make it easy to provide an immersive experience without requiring travel.
Forget the hassle of scheduling in-person meetings. With Event Anywhere, parents and teachers can book one-to-one video calls to discuss student progress. The platform also allows secure chat and voice messages, ensuring ongoing communication throughout the year.
Need to address the whole school? Host virtual assemblies using Event Anywhere's live streaming feature. Whether it's a head teacher's address, award ceremony, or urgent school update, students and staff can tune in from anywhere.
Professional development just got easier. Teachers can attend CPD training, workshops, and guest lectures from education experts worldwide, live or on demand. Training sessions can be recorded and shared for future reference.
Encourage students to form study groups, project teams, or debate clubs using virtual rooms. They can screen share, leave voice messages, and collaborate on assignments, just like in a real classroom, but without location restrictions.
From eco-clubs to coding clubs, students can meet in dedicated virtual spaces to share ideas, plan events, and engage in discussions. These secure school-only communities make extracurricular activities more accessible.
Instead of limiting opportunities to local providers, schools can use Event Anywhere to bring universities, apprenticeship providers, and employers directly to students via a virtual expo hall, live Q&A, and interactive networking zones.
Students can connect with professionals, observe virtual workplaces, and even shadow careers remotely using the platform's chat, video, and live streaming tools, offering experiences beyond their local area.
Keep in touch with former students. Event Anywhere allows alumni to share career insights, mentor current students, and contribute to school events, all without the need for travel.
Schools can create safe, monitored spaces where students can connect with counsellors, peer mentors, or safeguarding leads via secure video calls, voice messages, and anonymous chat, ensuring every student has access to support.
Event Anywhere is revolutionizing school communication, collaboration, and learning. Whether for virtual events, parent engagement, or student support, this platform brings education into the digital age. Want to see it in action? Visit eventanywhere.com to explore how your school can benefit today.